Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set back tap to open accessibility shortcut on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and in here, tap on accessibility. Then we go down and tap on touch. Next, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on back tap. In here, you can choose to use double tap or triple tap. So I'm going to select double tap. From here, tap on accessibility shortcut. And then now you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now from here on, whenever you need to open up the accessibility shortcut, you can use the back tap, so double tap at the back, and that will open up the accessibility shortcut. Double tap again to close the menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.